In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track rice in MyFitnessPal. First, let's begin by opening the MyFitnessPal app. If you have it installed on your device, find the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you tap to open it, you will be greeted by the main dashboard. This is where all your tracking begins. You might see your daily calorie goals, nutrient breakdown, and recent entries. Opening the app is crucial because it's the gateway to managing your nutrition effectively. You are setting the stage for accurate tracking. Next, navigate to the diary section. This part of the app is where you will log your meals and snacks throughout the day. Look for an option labeled diary or a similar term, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Once you tap on it, you will see a list of meals including breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. The diary is essential because it allows you to keep track of everything you consume, making it easier to monitor your diet. Now click on the Add Food button. This button is typically found at the bottom of the diary screen next to the meal you want to add food to. Once you click it, a search bar will appear. This action is important because it allows you to input the food you are about to track, which in this case is rice. You'll want to ensure you are correctly logging everything you eat for a precise calorie count. After that, type raw rice into the search bar and choose from the results. As you type, the app will suggest several entries for raw rice. Pay attention to the options that come up and select the one that matches the type of rice you are preparing. This step is crucial because different types of rice have varying nutritional values. Selecting the correct type ensures that you are accurately tracking your intake. Next up, tap to change the serving size to 1 gram. This is where you can input your total raw weight as the number of servings. For instance, if you have 100 grams of raw rice, you would input 100 as the number of servings. This action is important because it allows you to track the exact amount of rice you are consuming. Once you have made these adjustments, you are ready to cook and eat the entire amount. This ensures you have a clear and accurate record of your intake, which is vital for achieving your dietary goals. Remember, tracking your food accurately is key to understanding your nutritional habits. By following these steps, you are setting yourself up for success in maintaining a balanced diet. You will see how easy it becomes to keep tabs on your meals, especially when it comes to something as common as rice. With these steps completed, you should now have a clear understanding of how to track rice in MyFitnessPal. Each of these actions contributes to a more organized approach to your dietary management. You are now equipped with the skills to log your rice consumption effectively, allowing for better tracking of your overall nutrition. Stay consistent and you'll see great results over time. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Happy tracking!